Step 1. Understand the problem. We are given p arithmetic progressions. In short APs, each AP has n terms. The first terms of these APs are in the sequence 1, 2, 3, p. The common differences of these APs are in the sequence 1, 3, 5, 2p minus 1. We need to find the sum of all the terms from all these PAPs. Step 2. Write down the formula for the sum of n terms of an AP. The sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by Sn equals n by 2 times bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 bracket d bracket close, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. Step 3. Find the sum of terms for each AP. Let C be the sum of the terms of the ith AP. For the ith AP, first term a subscript I equals I. Common difference d subscript I equals 2i minus 1. Number of terms equals n. Using the formula for the sum of n terms, C equals n by 2 times bracket 2 times a subscript I plus bracket n minus 1 bracket times d. Subscript I bracket close. C equals n by 2 times bracket 2 times I plus bracket n minus 1 bracket times bracket 2i minus 1. Bracket close. C equals n by 2 times bracket 2i plus 2 ni minus n minus 2i plus 1 bracket close. C equals n by 2 times bracket 2 ni minus n plus 1 bracket close. Step 4. Find the sum of the terms of all PAPs. The total sum S is the sum of the sums of each AP from I equals 1 to p. S equals summation from I equals 1 to p of C. S equals summation from I equals 1 to p of bracket n by 2 times bracket 2 ni minus n plus 1 bracket close. S equals n by 2 times summation from I equals 1 to p of bracket 2 ni minus n plus 1 bracket close. S equals n by 2 times bracket summation from I equals 1 to p of 2 ni bracket minus bracket. Summation from I equals 1 to p of n bracket plus bracket summation from I equals 1 to p of 1. Bracket close. Step 5. Simplify the summation. S equals n by 2 times bracket 2n times summation from I equals 1 to p of I bracket minus n times summation from I equals 1 to p of 1 bracket plus summation from I equals 1 to p of 1 bracket close. We know that summation from I equals 1 to p of I equals p times bracket p plus 1 bracket by 2. Summation from I equals 1 to p of 1 equals p. Substitute these values into the equation for S. S equals n by 2 times bracket 2n times bracket p plus 1 bracket by 2. Bracket minus n times p plus p bracket close. S equals n by 2 times bracket n times p plus 1 bracket minus np plus p. Bracket close. S equals n by 2 times bracket np squared plus np minus np plus p bracket close. S equals n by 2 times bracket np squared plus p bracket close. S equals n by 2 times p times bracket np plus 1 bracket close. S equals bracket 1 by 2 bracket np times bracket np plus 1 bracket close. Step 6. Check the options and select the correct answer. The derived formula for the sum of the terms of all progressions is bracket 1 by 2 bracket np times bracket np plus 1 bracket close. Comparing with the given options, option A matches our derived answer. Final answer. The final answer is option A.